This clip explains how to buy shares of Global Water Resources, Inc., ticker GWRS. Global Water Resources is a water management company listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade GWRS, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GWRS to find Global Water Resources, Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to confirm the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and the GWRS ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute in the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your GWRS position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.